Hi everybody, hope you're all well. It's a lovely day in Wales. It's the 19th of March and we're going to take the covers off early this year. We want to start the painting, doing some painting on the shed and the fences in black. Just jazz it up a bit because it's looking a bit tired. I'll give you an update on Ghost. On the last video we showed you that she was red under her belly and down the sides. We'll catch up on that. It hasn't got any better. Fish seem to be quite mucousy at the minute, so whether they're protecting themselves from the bugs like flukes or something, or there can't be temperature dips because obviously we're heated and that's kept at the same thingy, so we might do some scrapes as well. What I forgot to mention on the last video with Ghost is we did scrape her and we didn't find anything either. So she does like to sit on the bottom of the pond a lot in the evening overnight, so whether that's got anything to do with it. I mean, she's well in herself, she's eating, they've not opened up into any sores or anything. It's just red, really red, very strange. So we'll show you her, and then we're going to take the hoods off and we'll show you our Airsouce heat pump. Right, here she is. As you can see, she's no better, no worse, happy, eating well. If anyone's got any ideas, comment below. She's the only fish that's got this problem. So we'll keep an eye on her, keep you updated. Everyone else, like I said, is fine, just a bit mucousy, protecting themselves from something. See SpongeBob there, white film over her. So I'm going to take the hoods off.
Right, I go to
What a lovely sight. Our pond is open for business, as they say. Just wait for the fish to get used to seeing the sky again. So what Chris is going to do next today is he's going to paint the back of the shed black. Right, so finally we have a Airsouce heat pump. It's a Duratec 7 Plus. Obviously we got it second hand. A guy was closing down his pond and he had it up on eBay, so I started bidding on it and I won it for £260. So I think that was a bargain. We've had it running for about 3 weeks now. No issues with it. It's not very noisy. I thought it'd be noisy, but it's not. Very easy to set up. I've seen other YouTubers have got the same one. So as you can see the temperature of the pond. So we fitted it to our backy shower and pressure filter. So it comes in through the skimmer, through the pump, through the pressure filter, out along into the air source heat pump, and then back out in the out inlet all the way round and up to the shower. Chris, did you find it hard to fit it?
No, it's just getting them, making sure that we had them. I did cut one in the wrong place, you can see, just so that they were in the same place and come through. That's your bypass. So if you turned that one open and close those two, now the water will go that way. When you close that one and open those, it will then go that way.
Right. And so what we've done as a precaution is we've still kept the cloverleaf 2 kilowatt heater attached to our sieve and Nexon that goes through the main pipes, just in case it ever fails. We've got that as a backup. So we're really pleased. We've been wanting an air source heat pump for quite a few years now because of obviously the cost. We didn't have the money to buy a brand new one, so we were always keeping our eyes out for a second-hand one, and we're just very lucky we've got this one, and we're really happy with it. It's performing really well. It's keeping the pond temperatures up. I won't know if it's what it's going to cost us until I put my meter readings in for the end of the month, but obviously I'm hoping it will be a substantial saving. Obviously I was probably going to be on a lot now because we've took the hoods off quite early in the season, just because we wanted to. As you can see, it's performing there.
Quiet as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quiet. I was worried it was going to be noisy, but it's really quiet. So if anybody else is after one, just keep looking. Try and pick yourself up a second-hand one. It'll pay for itself because of the running costs. Will be a lot cheaper than electric or gas. So this year as well, we've took the apple tree down and we're going to plant a new one at the back of the garden round there. And well, Chris keeps dumping all his crap over here, but this is going to be my vegetable garden this year. I've already planted some early potatoes by my little shed, and I'm going to do a salad garden for the summer. So plenty of excitement, although we are going to Malta in July, so I'm not sure how they're going to survive in the heat of July, but hey ho. Also got the worry of leaving the fish for 10 days while we're on holiday, which means we'll probably have to stop feeding. Maybe put the hoods on so they don't jump or anything while we're away, and well, they're just going to have to get on with it for 10 days by themselves, but it is a worry. So there we are, pond's up and running for the season. We are still planning on putting a pagoda up when we get round to it. Lovely to see the fish and the sun on the pond. So we're going to paint the back now of that shed. So if anybody wants to know, this is matte black that's going on, and it's masonry paint. We watched James the Koi Whisperer last year saying that he used masonry paint on his wood, which was a lot cheaper and lasted longer, if not just the same. So that's what we're doing as well. We'll see if it needs a second coat once we're finished. There's always something to do. So, are we going to do the pond then?
I think so.
You want to do it?
Uh,
And then, yeah, it looks quite nice at the back, doesn't it?
it identifies everything, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right. Phew, right, I'm really tired now. All that painting. I need to sit down and have a rest. Only joking. Chris has done all the painting. I'll just show you how he's getting on. So he's nearly done. It's on the back of the shed. He's nearly done most of the pond now. Another good job by him. Thought I'd have a view of the pond from the top. There's a little skimmer down there, the one with the orange head. Has got really big over the winter. I mean, obviously bigger than what it was. It was quite small last year. Everybody's happy, enjoying the sun. There he is, skimmer. So that's the pond painted. Give that a week or two, see if we need to do a second coat or not. Chris has done his usual, knocked a few nails in the pond. So he's getting his magnet to get them out. So I'm really happy with that colour. Everything's looking really good for the season. I'm really happy. Fish are happy. Chris, are you happy?
No.
Well, right, see you next time, guys.